Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm trying to do a very interesting topic that I'm trying to make a one very simple search website which we're going to search content from the another website. Let's see that how much we will going to successful. But for that I need to use the two websites, two or three websites you can say that. The first website is my ChatGPT. Second website is Hostingers. So let's see. So what I want to do, there is a government initiative website that is one district, one product, um, one district, one product. This is the website which is giving an information of all the exporter related queries. Like if you can see here that if I can simply search in on Google and see that what this website is. So it is saying that it's a Government of India flagship programs designed to foster the balance, recent development by the selecting the branding, promotions, and unique product, typically the agriculture textiles for the each district of India. Okay, so this is the website which is helping the people of India to do the export activity. But how you can do that? You need to find out the product from each and every district. So if you can go inside, it is a very good website and a lot of content informations are there. So I would like to fetch some information because if I am living in a district, so finding out all the information from all the PDF and everything is quite difficult. So let's see that can can I make a program? Can I make a website which where like you can simply write down your district information and from that keyword my program, my website can able to link or fetch all the information from this website. So simply I will going to write down I want a website which can search uh, all the product from for a for a district from one nation, one district, one product, as well as I will also going to write down the website name. Let's see that how uh, can you help me to can you please help me to create a prompt for Hostinger Stinger Horizon which help me to create a website where the user is required to enter district value and with with the help of same value website can give all the list of product which is popular, unique, unique and very very good for export. Let's see. I have given a very raw template and let's see that how the template can be given. So uh, template is getting prepared. You can see here. Let me do copy this template. Okay, I just copied everything, and let's see. I will going to write down this. I think it has not been copied. So let me copy it again. I will going to copy this and I will paste it again. Let's see. So website is getting prepared right now. Let's see that how the website look like, uh, and are we able to successful from our first move or not. So you can see here that it is taking some time. Now I think website is ready. Wow, quite quick. Let's see. I think might be some question. Let's turn on the idea. What is the idea? Write the chat. Okay. So they have given key. I love the idea platform is going to design. What do you like to prefer? Any more traditional government official look, or something more modern and vibrant respect to the Indian. So I will write down key something more modern and vibrant. Such experience would you like to able to typically the district name, or would you like to? I will write down key drop down and select drop down search. Let's see. So perfectly he's thinking and see that okay, they are trying to hmm, again the website is working right now. The work is on progress. I'm thinking I know that like with one or two prompting like it will not be 100% successful, but definitely we will going to get something where we can work later, and after that we will be successful. If this website is quite okay, or we are successfully able to make this website in a very good way, so it is one of the website which I would also like to publish and see that which might be helpful for all Indians, um, that they can know that from which state what product they can export, as well as after that I will also going to put some more information into it. Okay, but this is one of the basic thing, as well as I will also check that okay, I will also say that would you please add prompt for search from the PDF, but that I will see later. But almost done. They are saying "Okay, almost done." Let's see when it will be done. But we can also see that how what is the ChatGPT response here. So they have added like okay, search product name, no restrict PDF. Uh, this is included. Okay, let's see. Let's see how the website response is. Just launching. Okay, very cool. Like it is about to made like within 5 minutes the website is almost done, and it is about to launch. Wow. Hosting horizon is quite good. But we can also see the other platform in future in upcoming videos. I will also try to demonstrate the same thing with other website like Replit, Lovable, and we can see that how these websites are working, how these websites are responding. So for the why I'm liking the Hostinger Horizon, because it is providing all the features and functionality. Because if you want to send mail, you can get the domain here, you can get the email access here. Hostinger is having a lot of offers while taking the domain as well as while taking the email facilities. However, the other platform do not have. And Hostinger is also having this platform, which is also helping many users across the globe to develop their websites as quickly as they can. And they are also supporting almost all kind of integrations which you are looking for. So this is the reason I'm quite happy with the Hostinger Horizon. How my website is about to launch. Let's see. Finger crossed. Still in progress, but hoping that it will be completed in few seconds. Mm, let's wait. So they are also saying key for the best result, keep your message simple, short, and focused on one changes at a time. Yes, it is correct. One changes at a time will be beneficial, as well as you can also write down your prompt in a like segment wise. Like if you want to make the five small changes, so just write down five small pointers. Okay, so it will also going to helpful like point one, two, three, four, five. So they can manage, but in case like if you have a very complex logic, so definitely just try to make the logic in a better way that Hostinger can understand and replicate the, and just try to do the same changes in your website as easily as they can, because these are machines, and these machines are only working on our prompt, so we have to give the explanation for the each and every points. So I think right now it is the first time like they are creating the website header, footer, everything they have might be creating, as well as search model. They will also going to create. Hosting it is creating right now, so that's why it is taking a little more time. I'm also not very sure that how like this command will be actually access the government website or not, but let's see. So the platform they are using React, as well as you can also use the other platform for integration like a Superbase or something like that. But okay, you can see that all these pages has been, I think, included: home pages, product pages, about, contact, navigation, photo, modern design. You can also give the different design sample here also, but let's see that how they have given me the design. The website is loading. Wow, it's loaded. Hmm, the website is almost loaded. Now let's see. Okay, it's look good. Product. You can search about, drop ID, contact. Okay, I'm not sure that how much it is working or not. Let's see for Jaipur. Jaipur. In Jaipur, they are saying it is these are the products which can be exported. Let me try to search with my. It is not working. So like a high level information they have given, but right now it is not 100% working, which I'm expecting, which I was expecting on that time. But I think they have only, you can search only these informations at a district level. beta, even the beta inform the image is not correct, the leather product information is not correct. So the high level information they have given. Okay, so okay, something has been maybe like prepared, but like it can be like more and more developed as we can give the more and more commands. So we can see we will I will going to make this website more focused. I think let me write down the search. India have hundreds of district. All the district information is not coming in the website. Are you able to fetch information from, let's see from which website? Please take all the relevant information from this website and help me to find the product. Okay, so option one, you are manually copying the district and product. You have a super basis and added them. You can manually copy and paste the product. Okay, from website and you can, or we can set up the super base. Okay, I will say key. Okay, you can set up the super bases. I'm saying you can use the super base and let's see. Perfectly clicking. Okay, it is saying that you need to do the integration all and after that connect an website and all after that like it will going to work. Loading changes. Let's see my it is, I think still it's not coming. Okay, they are saying that you need to like I have to do the integration first and after that we can do. So this part we can see later, but we can get an example that how quickly we can prepare a website with a simple command. But this website is not a simple website. A lot of work is required to do, and after that we can see that how this website is going to work. Thank you.